How to win a man back from another woman. Welcome to this video which talks about how to win a man back from another woman. Our channel offers tips and advice on relationship and marriage problems. This video reveals 3 steps to take to win a man back from another woman. Number 1, ignore your impulses. When you first learn that your ex-boyfriend is seeing someone else, your initial feelings will be frustration and disappointment. One of the worst things you can do is to tell him she's bad for him, or start coming up with 1,000 reasons why. By telling him you loathe her, you're putting him on the defensive immediately. By telling him you love him, you're scaring him a little, as well as coming off as desperate. Number 2, drop out of sight. Your ex will not miss you if you're always around. Winning back your ex requires you to become completely invisible, for a pretty long while. Your ex will wonder why you are not trying to call or contact him, and he'll start wondering whether or not you have moved on. This makes him nervous because every guy who breaks up with a girl always likes to leave the door to the relationship secretly open, just in case he wants to get back together with her. Number 3, re-establish friendship and trust. When some time has passed, you and your ex will reconnect on some level. Providing a neutral sounding board for him to air his feelings will make your ex confide in you again. Every time he fights with his new girlfriend, you'll become the go-to person for instant advice. He will begin to trust you and your judgment. You are actually gaining ground here, and getting close once again to your ex-boyfriend. Although it is just at a friendship level, when you are finally in the best position possible, there are moves you can make to transition back into dating him again. If you could trigger the interest of your ex to desire you passionately again, will you do it? Click here to learn how to make the one you love feel a burning desire to be back with you again. Click the link in the description box below. So what do you think about how to win a man back from another woman? Please comment below. Please subscribe to our channel to get useful tips on relationship problems.